Hello everyone, welcome back to Design and UX channel. I am Priya, I am a UX design student. As a design student, I know how much important for us to work on any design case study. Since I got an idea on why don't I make a video series of UX design case study, since you guys can know how the UX design student can work on each and every process of UX design case study to accomplish desired task and create a better product for our users. So previously I have created a videos on defining design challenge, research process, analysis process and working on a design. So please check out those videos so you can get a better understand on user testing and implementation process. Today's video is all about working with user testing as well as the implementation process. So let's get started. User testing or usability testing. At the very beginning of the user testing process, we need to go through our prototypes multiple times since it helps us to better understand our application's navigations and the list of tasks. That makes prototypes handy for us and we can easily conduct the user testing process. To find and detect at an early stage problems on garden planting application prototypes, we decided to conduct in-person usability testing. For the successful completion of user testing process, we created a user testing plan. Our plan includes these steps. Select the method of user testing and schedule user testing time and date as per both of a convenience like our team as well as our participant. We have to create a list of tasks which we are testing with our prototype. During the user testing process, one of our participants observed user expressions and frustrations while using the prototype, and we needed to take notes on the user testing process, and we noted down a list of problems while participants were trying to complete each and every task. Also, we follow these three basic principles on user testing: usability testing, permits, product development. Usability testing involves studying real users as they use product. Usability testing involves setting measurable goals and determining whether the product meets them. Also, we set up a user testing goal. Our user testing goal helps us to better understand how real users interact with our garden planting application and to improve the application based on the results. The primary purpose of usability test is to improve design. Here is the list of tasks that we are going to test with the participants in the user testing process. Test the overall navigation of the prototype. Test and observe on how easy or how hard user finishes the desired task. Test and observe on how the user creates a plan for indoor and outdoor garden using our prototypes. Test how the user interacts with the profile page and understand and explore each and every option on the profile page. Test how the user is trying to create the account in the garden planting application. Is the user successfully completing scheduling each and every task about the garden? Can the user understand and explore options related to the status of the garden progress? Now it's time for user testing process. While conducting user testing with the participant, we observed the participants and we took the notes. Key insights found from the user testing process. Required home page, which includes overall tasks about the whole application, like view of the latest activity on the application, view of the progress about the garden, latest articles and posts about indoor and outdoor garden, which is like a latest activity feed about the whole application. Add one more highlighted navigation on the home page, which is the home icon. User did not find the notification screen while the user was trying to select the new notification button. When a user tried to edit their profile, the user did not find the edit profile button. On the progress of the garden screen, user having trouble to find an action button to view each and every plant status. On the profile screen, user having trouble scrolling posts related to the garden, like scroll right or left or view more options about the post and articles. On the post or communication screen, there are multiple create new buttons we found, since we have to create one create new post button as well as we have to create a message screen so the user can easily message or contact with others. User was trying to view a list of rating about the user post and the article. User did not find them since we need to implement them. User was trying to select the read more option on the history of the article screen but did not find them since we have to create an article or a post page separately. Once the user successfully completes the task, the user did not notice or get any confirmation about the task since we have to create a confirmation screen. Calendar page required more options for the user, like setting buttons, creating a new task button. User got confused while clicking on the right arrow button on the plant detail page since we edited the plant detail page. After saving the sketch, the indoor or outdoor garden, user did not find the confirmation button for the completion of a task. Edit more planter or a planting option on a total planter or a planting options. Improve category of the veggies, fruits or herbs on the edit number of plants option on screen. These are the key insights we found during the testing process. And finally, we started implement them on a paper prototype. In the earlier prototype, we created two screens consisting of a scheduling task. First screen is about selecting your plant care, which includes powering a water, sunlight, compost, harvesting time. In this screen, user found very minimalistic options regarding the plant care. Also, user did not find any new option to add plant care. The second screen is about the view of a calendar. In this screen, users can view the calendar, month and different maintenance options with different icons like a heart cycle. In this screen, user got confused about the selecting task on the calendar. After scheduling the task, user did not find a confirmation screen related to the scheduling task. So, while testing our prototype, we found user getting trouble scheduling tasks on garden maintenance and care. Since we decided to rework on scheduling tasks that make it easy for user to schedule a task about garden maintenance and care. Now you can see there are 4 screens consisting of scheduling tasks. First screen includes 3 different options. With the 3 different options, users can create a new task or make changes on existing task, or user can view previous or completed task. If the user selects the create new task button, then user can see a new screen with the title of the task and multiple categories related to the garden maintenance and care. Once the user selects categories and title of task, then user can select the next button to continue scheduling task, or user can go back using the back button. If the user selects the next button, Then the user can see a new screen consisting of selecting a date and time on the calendar and can choose multiple garden caring or maintenance options. For example, pouring a water for the plant. Then the user can see options like a color on the calendar for the task. Time and date setup for pouring a water. Also can user have an option regarding to receive notifications, since the user can easily maintain their garden. Once the user is done with the scheduling time and date, then the user can select OK. Then user can see a new screen with a review of scheduling task. Once user review and can make changes on scheduling of a task, then the user can select the schedule button to schedule the task, and users can see a confirmation screen regarding a scheduling task. While conducting user testing with the participant, we observed that in our garden progress screen, users were having a trouble selecting a particular category of plants and knew about detailed progress about the particular plants. Since we rework on the garden progress screen and we implemented the screen, our first screen majorly focuses on a chart diagram of a progress of the entire garden, and then it shows each category of plant summary. Also, the user can click the view button to see the entire particular plant summary, which includes progress chart of the plant, and the user can see the caring option of the plant. Our another implementation on the screen is about indoor or outdoor gardening, selecting a total number of plants. In the previous screen, user did not find any button to add a new plant. Also, user having confusion on each and particular plant with the category wise, because user did not find any plant with their particular category wise. And we rework on the screen and we add multiple options to improve our design, like we added each category plant with an edit button, delete button, and since the user can edit or delete a number of plants with a particular category. Also, we implemented the add new planter button on the number of indoor and outdoor planters screen. Our another implemented screen is about user profile screen. In earlier screen, user did not find any edit button on the screen. Also, user did not found any scrolling options related to the post to scroll user post. Since we rework on the existing screen and we implemented profile screen with the edit profile button as well as multiple options with related buttons. Also, we add a scroll right or left and view more options for the user post. We made changes on a complete description of the plant screen with multiple options like a plant description, plant image, plant caring instructions, plant rating, as well as reviews. Then user can have three different options like a back and plant to the favorite and view similar plants. We also rework on the post or article screen. Previous screen, users having confusion on creating a new post, because we created two buttons to create a new post. Also, the user did not find any option to view and read the full article. Also, create an article screen and only write an option button. The user could not find any editing options about writing an article button. Since we rework on the screen and we implemented them, our implemented article screen has multiple options like a view more articles, read more full articles, and users can see rating, share, like button on the article. Also, user can have more options related to the writing an article page like select review or rating options related to the article, as well as user can save, post, or delete the article. We rework on our existing menu bar and we edited one of icon, which is a home screen icon, as well as we created a couple of new screens about garden planting applications, which are home page, message page, finding garden screen. Implemented a message options on the top right corner of the screen. Home screen is all about different activities, feed related to different user posts and garden progress and whole applications notifications. Message screen is all about user can communicate with others. Finding garden screen is all about user can search for different gardeners and contact them easily. So finally, this is all about working with user testing process and implementation on our existing prototypes. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. If you have any questions and suggestions related to my design case study, please comment below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss any latest updated videos on design and UX. In my upcoming video, we are going to work on wireframings as well as working on visual design. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.